In this video, we're going to talk about a Venn diagram. We can use Venn diagram to describe the relationship between different sets. For example, we have a set A, that's 1, 2, and set B that has 1, 2, 3, and set C has 3, 4. Okay, so by looking at those sets, we can see here because every member of A is a member of B. 1 is in B and 2 is also in B, and we can tell A is a proper subset of B. And if we look at A and C, they don't really have anything in common. One of them has 1, 2. 1 is not in C, 2 is not in C, and 3 is not in A, 4 is not in A. So they really don't have any. They really don't have any intersection. So if we do intersection of A and B, that's going to be empty because intersection has to have something that belongs to both of them. But if we look at a B and the C, we do intersection, we can see 3 is in both of them. Well, because these sets are very simple, very easy, we can kind of tell the relationship between them. For complicated ones, it might be easier to draw a Venn diagram to look at the relationship between them. So, for example, we draw circles to represent each set. So this is set A, which has 2 elements, 1 and a 2 in there. And set B, because 1 and 2, they're also in B. And make sure this entire circle is contained in B. So when we draw it, because that's all, 1 and 2 is all what A has. And it's completely included in B. So we're going to put a 3 here. That's set B. And for set C, it has the element of 3. And it also has an extra element 4, so we have to draw a bigger circle so we can put 4 on the right side, but not inside B. So that's our set C. So by looking at this picture, we can see this picture is better than looking at the sets. We can tell very quickly A is completely contained in B because circle A is inside of circle B, and we can tell B and C they intersect these 2 circles. So let me use blue color for B. So the blue circle and the red circle, they intersect. They have something in common, which is 3 here. And we can see the black circle and the red circle, they don't have anything in common. So the graph, when we draw it, they should intersect. And so when other people look at your graph that they can also tell A and B, A and C have no intersection. Or actually we call it disjoint. So if A and B don't intersect, we say that A and B are in disjoint.